Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So today's video is a much requested one, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get free VIP in Dress to Impress, guys. This is super simple. It's a code, a DTI code that you can enter in game, and it's going to give you a free VIP pass for Dress to Impress, guys, saving you a bunch of money. And this method is super simple, using just a mobile phone. It doesn't matter which mobile phone you have, just as long as you have an internet connection, and you're going to be able to get a DTI code, and it is the best method to get a free VIP in Dress to Impress. So you need to open up the internet and go to this website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, very important. You spell it exactly like this. This is a codes website, guys, primarily a coupon code website. But if you scroll down this page, you can see they have pages for tons of different things. You need to find the Dress to Impress secret codes page. It's usually one of the most used coupons because it's super popular. But if it isn't, you can go to the search bar and type it in there, Dress to Impress. So these codes, guys, you can see are limited in number, but there is a ton of them at the time of recording this video, which is Saturday, the 12th of October. But you can see you can get a free VIP pass in Dress to Impress. So if you click on show code, now you will need to unlock your personal VIP code, guys. So this DTI code is protected because, of course, VIP costs a bunch of money. So this prevents people from getting like all of the codes. So this limits one code per person. So once you click on show code, you need to tap on unlock code. And there is a bit of a process to unlock your personal DTI code. I'm going to cancel it because I've already got VIP. But basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your VIP pass. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons and getting a code, you will need to verify you are a real person. So just follow the instructions, and usually it's completing a couple of tasks, which is super simple. So go ahead and do that, guys. Follow the instructions, and once you've done that, your code will be revealed and you can enter it in the DTI code page in the game, and it's going to supply you with free VIP in Dress to Impress. So that is it, guys. Just go to Robot Coupons, search for the Dress to Impress secret codes page, and that is how to go ahead and get your free VIP. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.